Hey, what's up, baby? This past the OG, aka Taco, D Money. We just put this thing together because we want y'all to know that we understand. Sometimes you just gotta get off and ride to yourself and put everything in perspective. That's the only way you're gonna stay on top. You get to stay woke. This real ride of music. The sun's out, hey, my rims shine. The jewel on my pinky finger hypnotized. My pockets swole like white nuts, no hard times. Gas needle by E and nigga, I'm still riding. I'm higher than the kite, blitz since the crack of dawn. So I'm DUI until I take my black ass home. I have no time for talk, that's why I left my cell song. I'm off today. Y'all niggas got to grind alone. This my rest and relaxation. Go play with your haters. Right now I'm feeding mine. Tell yours I get at them later. I ball in high definition, so it's no surprise I never been compromised. See, my whole life been supersized. I turn corners laid back like a rolling stone. Sip the liquor from this cup, I'm in the twilight zone. Smoking this nappy head, I'm straighter than a straightening cone. There's only one can ride, but I have yet to go get cloned.
Ain't nobody ride a shotgun next to me.
Ain't nobody ride a shotgun next to me.
Ain't nobody ride a shotgun next to me.
Real niggas stay on top, never catch us broke.
Ain't nobody ride a shotgun next to me.
Ain't nobody ride a shotgun next to me.
Ain't nobody ride a shotgun next to me.
Real niggas stay on top, never catch us broke.
You feel that?
Nope.
Me neither. I'm way too cool to boom boom my speaker.
I'm too cool for
I'm
that.
a lover, not a fighter. I slow jam everything, cruise control, baby. That's just who I am.
Like I'm making love.
Mr. Laid Back, left hand steerer, right hands are occupied. I'm less holding my swisher until I need to lift my glass and sip my favorite liquor. Normally I would use some girl, today she's out the picture.
That's right.
Try to flag me down, I'ma keep rolling. Pretend I didn't see your ass like them dudes who old.
I ain't seen
Do your
nothing.
normal thing, stir up drama like the stories. I ball till I fall or until the grave holds me.
Ain't gonna hold
I
me
live a
yet.
hustler's life, swag stopping carloads. What I got on head to be can pay off all your card notes.
That's right.
I concentrate on money, you worry where your broad go. When the only thing should matter if I broke her off like Fargo.
That's the OG,
Ain't
baby.
nobody ride a shotgun next to me.
I ball, I ride, I drink, and I smoke.
Ain't nobody ride a shotgun next to me.
Real niggas stay on top, never catch us broke.
Ain't nobody ride a shotgun next to me.
I ball, I ride, I drink, and I smoke.
Ain't nobody ride a shotgun next to me.
Real niggas stay on top, never catch us broke.
Ain't nobody ride a shotgun next to me.
Ain't nobody ride a shotgun next to
And I
me.
smoke.
Ain't nobody ride a shotgun next to me.
Real niggas stay on top, never catch us
That's
broke.
right.
Ain't nobody ride a shotgun next to me.
Ain't nobody
I
ride a
ride,
shotgun
I
next
drink,
to
and I
me.
smoke.
Ain't nobody ride a shotgun next to me.
Real niggas stay on top, never catch us broke.
See, that what real niggas do. Real niggas stay on top. They ride dolo. They keep everything cold steady. That's why I'm laid back, like 4 flats. You know what I'm talking about? Old school, futuristic, with a twist. Past OG, D Money. I know y'all feeling this. I'm feeling it myself.